Hey BZB TV fans, my name is Matt Richards with BZBGEAR, and today we're going to be covering a little bit of an unboxing and product overview of the BG-OMNITALK-PRO. So what is this little thing? Well, this is our premium speakerphone as far as our speakerphone line is concerned. This is a very versatile USB wireless Bluetooth enabled conference speakerphone. So lots and lots of words there. Let's actually go ahead and dive in on some of the features of this device. You get plenty of connectivity options, whether that is the USB, the auxiliary cord, the dongle that comes with it, Bluetooth, just tons and tons of different ways to connect to this thing. It captures voices within a 6-meter radius because of the inbuilt 4 omnidirectional microphones. You get adaptive high-definition amplification in this unit, which is going to give you pretty clear audio. Pretty nice when it comes to having a good meeting in your conference room. You also get this very compact design, which lends itself very nicely to portability. And speaking of portability, it is built in with a 8,000 milliamp hour lithium battery, which provides up to 14 hours of music play or 24 hours of talk time. So getting a lot of this. On top of whether you want to change some settings, you get your LCD screen on this, which does offer a touchscreen control. So pretty nice on that end. And in general, if you're just looking for something to give you crystal clear audio in your conference room, this is going to be the best item on the list that we have to offer from BZBGEAR. So if this item does interest you, please go ahead and check out our website, give us a call, or get in contact with one of our dealers, and they would love to get you more information on this product. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you guys next time.